you. Don't forget to check out other videos that I have. I have a lot of hair videos, so go ahead, subscribe, and get to liking. Okay, I would really appreciate it. If you are normal, okay, if you are one of my lovelies, welcome back. Okay, I'm Gabrielle. In today's video we are going to, I had a hair that is like in the corner of my mouth. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're installing this unit that I have in right now, which is from Beauty Forever Hair Company. They went ahead and sent me their natural wave texture and 222s and 220s and then a 20 lace frontal. I believe that's it. I went ahead and basically used all 4 bundles. Like, I was stacking these tracks, y'all. It's, as per usual, it's going to be down in the description box. So before you exit out of this video, go ahead and check out the details down below. Y'all, and another thing, I'm like super obsessed with these, like, I don't know, I would call them a barrette, but they're like pearl like bobby pins and clips. I actually use these in another video, but I didn't show you guys what it was looking like. I got, like, I don't know, these are like 10, I believe, but there's a, you know, an arrangement of them. There's clips like these and then bobby pins of all different types of shapes. But I don't want to make this too long, so yeah, we're just gonna install this unit. So like I said, go ahead and subscribe and turn the notification bell, like hit the bell wherever that's at. Go ahead and hit it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will check y'all lovelies out in my next one. Bye.